Can you guess which animal the nail in the picture belongs to? These nails look like they're good for playing with yarn.
Whoa, super cute.
What animal could this be? Cat! This animal definitely lives in a forest.
I think that guy lives in my neighborhood.
These nails look good for eating fish. Bear! These nails look like they belong to a heavy animal.
Are trucks animals?
Good guess, Chatters. It's a elephant. Chatters, these nails kind of look like yours.
Oh, you're right, Noel, it does.
Oh, I know what animal this is. Hamster. These nails look like they like to dig.
Hit that notification bell.
What animal could this be? Dog!